Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you the #1 cookout item everybody's gonna want to bring to your cookout the summer. So beat them to the punch, and you're gonna make some absolutely delicious potato salad. Fam, I'm gonna be honest with you, potato salad is gonna be the top item for barbecues this summer. So I'm gonna get my water ready. I'm gonna throw a little sea salt in my water, and we're gonna let this come up to a boil, and then we're gonna place our potatoes in this water and let them get soft. Now I'm working with Yukon Gold potatoes. These are the gold standard for potato salad. Now you can't go with russet, but these will hold its texture and give you a nice taste, a buttery taste. Yes sir, we're in the game. So let's get this water, let this water come up to temp, and then we'll get this recipe on the road. Now, one of the reasons why potato salad is gonna be the #1 cookout item that you'll probably have people wanting to bring to the cookouts is because meat's so expensive these days and potatoes are relatively cheap. So if somebody's asking you what you want to bring to the cookout, hey, bring the potato salad, fam. We're gonna let these cook till they fork tender. So this will take probably about 12 to 15 minutes. Now these potatoes should be ready to go. You can always check your potatoes and see if they fork tender, and if they come in and out like that right there, and you can see they're almost breaking, then you are in the game, fam. Here's one tip about making potato salad. You want to make sure that you let these cool, and then you want these potatoes to be dry. I mean, not like dry, but you don't want those potatoes to be wet. Now, while we wait for our potatoes to cool down, hey, we're gonna go ahead and make our dressing for that potato salad. So I'm gonna go in about half a cup of mayo. I got me some diced celery. I also got some diced onions. Now this recipe will not have eggs in it, so eggs are optional. I just wanted to keep this recipe simple and cost effective. Now I'm gonna go in with my salad cubes, or you can go in with relish. So I'm gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of that. Now I do like to add diced jalapeños in my potato salad just to give it a little bit of kick. So not too much, about a tablespoon and a half. And then I'll get a splash of that juice in there. Then we'll add some onion powder, about a teaspoon of that. And then we'll add some garlic powder. Again, about a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can season this up however you like. I got a little Creole seasoning. I'm not gonna use a lot of it. Again, about a teaspoon or so of that. And then I'm gonna add a little splash of apple cider vinegar. And then we'll get everything mixed in like so. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add me a little bit more mayo. So I want to make sure that my potatoes are all the way covered. So we'll probably go about 3/4 of a cup of mayo there. And then last, I like to add just a little dill, about a teaspoon of dill, whatever, probably about a half teaspoon of dill. And a teaspoon would be for the whole recipe, because I end up topping the recipe off with some dill too. And I did forget one thing. Hold 1 second. I almost forgot my yellow mustard. You can go in with Dijon. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of yellow mustard in this dressing. Get everything mixed in, and then, and only then, when everything is mixed and ready to go, hey, give it a taste, see how it tastes, and then you'll be in the game, fam. Now we got our cool potatoes that's cooled to about room temperature or so. And then we got our dressing. Get all that out of there. No dressing left behind. And then, fam, we just get the mixing, right? And you don't want to sauce these potatoes while they're hot. And you want to make sure that you let these potatoes drain well. Now, I'm keeping the eggs out of it. You can put eggs in there if you like. Those are optional. Some people don't like eggs in their potato salad. Some people do. So I'm gonna leave that up to you, fam. Now it's all different variations of potato salad that you can make. Put bacon on it. You can make a loaded potato salad, bacon, cheese, chives, whatever. But this right here, simple potato salad that'll get you in the game. Now, I'm gonna put it in this final dish and then we'll dress it up and then we'll be in the game. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top it off with some dill, just some sprinkles of dill, give it some color, a little additional flavor. And I'm gonna top mine off with smoked paprika. I know people normally use regular paprika, but I'm gonna hit it with that smoked paprika. And then fam, hey, we are in the game. This will be your #1 item in the cookouts for 2026. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious potato salad. #1 item on the cookout 2026. And you already know, hey, I gotta get me a taste test. Cheers. Nice, creamy. Got a little bit of tang to it from the apple cider vinegar and those pickled jalapenos. Yes, sir. Hey, put this right here alongside some ribs, some chicken, some barbecue chicken, anything, to be honest with you, some baked beans on the side. Yes, sir. Hey, you'll be in the game. Now, if you want to get in the game and stay in the game, don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out. Hit that like button and then share this video with your family and friends and tell them Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. And for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, get these ingredients and then make this #1 item for your cookout and you'll be in the game, fam. So you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash back into this potato salad. Hey, I got me some barbecue chicken on the side. Yes, sir. We ready. And as always, fam, we in the game.